increasing tourism at Kerinci Regency. Okay, I think Madam Ayu Detika already in our view. Time is yours.
Okay. Thanks for the time that will give to me. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ayu Estakasari. I came from Kerinci Regency at Sakti Alam Kerinci at the Management Institute of Economic Science. And I would for the first I would like to thank to the committee and also for the time that give to me. And my research with the title "The Role of Marketing Mixed Tourism Using Technology Acceptance Model or TAM in Increasing Tourism at Kerinci Regency." For the first, I would like to introduction. Tourism sector plays an important role in the Indonesian economy, both as a source of foreign exchange earnings as well as job creation and business opportunities. In this picture, we can see that there are a lot of opportunities on tourism. For the first that we can see, tourism is very important. It's the easiest sector to create jobs. For example, to create a job in the tourism sector. And then the second, in terms of linkage, the tourism sector is the link between many sectors. And the third, tourism sector has great added value, for example, in the tourism object. And we can see that international tourist trips grew by 3.9 in reaching 1.4 million trips. And then international tourists generate a total foreign exchange in the US on 1.5 trillion in the tourism sectors. And the UNWTO said that in the estimates, international tourist trips will reach 1 billion trips in tourism towards 2030. And I'm sorry. This is the strategic geographic. Why Indonesia has good tourism, because we have a lot of opportunities. We have a lot of ethnic groups, and then we have a lot of object tourisms that it can make another tourists come from Indonesia. And this is the graph of the opportunity in tourism. We know that mineral and energy has the disadvantage areas are rich with natural beauty, and then abundant advantage of large, and then the condition of the area around mining continues to experience improvement and backwards. So we have to find another opportunity, and that's called tourism. And we can see the what to be a locomotive in economic in Indonesia. One of them is tourism. And as we know that tourism has the week of tourism in Indonesia, such as weak community-based tourism resource management, and then tourism management is managed by outside investors, and then the local economy is not the strength of the national economy. So this is the making why the village and regional development and tourism. For the first, energy and mineral as potential development drives, and then the environment as a safety-belt sustainable development, and then tourism based on local resources and communities as locomotives. So the conclusion that the tourism sector development rural based in Indonesia. And this is, we can see that there are a lot of that Indonesia have, such as nature and then culture, and then artificial tourism from the attractions, and the accessibility we have from the air and the sea and also the land. And the last, we have amenities such as electricity, and then banking, and then good accommodation. And we can't forget that tourism human resources has an important role, such as the capacity building and professional certification, and also society, such as capacity building and professional certification, and also industry. It means that business standards and certifications. And this is the picture that we can see that the number of cumulative number of foreign tourists we can see that in this also in 2020 tourism in Indonesia becoming decreasing. Of course, we know that one of the reason from the COVID-19. From industry, we can see this is a lot of technology that we can use at tourism, such as digital destination, digital tourism, internet and marketing, and then computer system, and also mobile communication. And this is my research talking about technology acceptance model, or TAM. It means that technology acceptance model is approved by Davis, says that it's the emphasis on achieving and identifying the factors that impact the acceptance of information technology effective. And this is the graph of the technology acceptance model. We can see that for the first we have the external factors, and then we have perceived usefulness, and then perceived use of use, and also for the last we have intention to use. And the correlation of the tourism marketing mix strategy, this is the role of the marketing mix in tourism is to bring the customer or tourist to the destination. But in this research, I use 5 of the marketing mix tourisms. They are product, and then pricing, and then promotion, and then place or distribution, and also people. So I using just 5 variables for this research. And this is the framework of my research when I am using 5 variables, and also using 3 variables on the TAM, or technology acceptance models. And we can see the result. But for the first, I would like to explain about the research method. And then the method used in collecting data is survey data with using questionnaire and also interview. And then the model testing techniques in the study use structural equation model, or SEM, with using AMOS as an analytical tool. Okay, from this discussion, for the first, I'd like to see the testing model. This is the table of the testing model before we come from the research. Okay, for the first, I have used here, this is the perceived engagement. We have 5 variables, that's product, price, promotion, place, and people. And the result, okay, we can see in this picture from the result that we just have 2 variables, that they are price and also people, that has the significant effect from between the role of marketing mix tourism on perceived enjoyment. And the second, we have the role of marketing mix tourism on perceived use in technology acceptance model. We have 2 variables that has a significant effect. They are price and also people. And then the third structure model, we have the role of marketing mix tourism on perceived usefulness in technology. And they are, we have just 1 variable that has a significant effects. They, people has a significant effect. And the last, we have 2 variables that has a significant effects. They are people and also price. And
recording stopped.
We can see that the hypothesis test from the structure, from the 4 structure, that is perceived engagement, perceived use, and perceived usefulness, has the same variable, at least price and also people. And we can see this is the square multiple correlations, that we can see that from the 4 technology acceptance model, that we can see that perceived engagement has the dominant effect of the marketing mix tourism. Okay, for the last, I have the conclusion of my research that the results show that the coefficient of determination in technology acceptance model or TAM variability, which can be explained by marketing mix tourism, and the most influence is perceived engagement with the correlation about 80.7%. And from testing the hypothesis that price and people positively and significant effects of the technology acceptance model or TAM. Okay, Mrs. Yeah, because I know the time is almost over. Yeah, almost 20 minutes. Okay, thanks for the time that give to me. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, if I have a mistake, maybe from the pronunciation or or the time. Okay, thanks for the time.
Okay, you are welcome, Madam Ayu Estika Sari. Okay, I think your presentation was enough. It's never mind because we are not English people. We are Indonesian people. So for
Yeah.
pronunciation, I think it's never mind.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
guys.
Thank you.